This video is about the ACT350 weight transmitter from Mettler Toledo. Watch this video to see how you can speed up weighing and save installation time with an Allen Bradley PLC from Rockwell. The ACT350 may be used for conveyor scales. The transmitter is ideal for tank, silo, reactor, and hopper scales. It can be used for arrays of multi-line gravimetrics filling machines. Thanks to high-speed weighing, the ACT350 is excellent for drum and big bag filling applications. The ACT350 weight transmitter is available for Ethernet IP. The transmitter features an integrated display to show the weight and configuration information. The small keypad is used in combination with the display to configure settings. LEDs provide status information quickly. Dual-port industrial Ethernet supports daisy chain and ring network topologies and simplifies installation of multi-transmitter weighing applications. Its high-speed 600 Hz weight update rate allows fast and precise weighing for inspection or classifying applications. Its high-speed weight update rate also allows fast and precise weighing for applications such as filling. The ACT350 features 5 digital outputs with set points. This allows fast response to weight changes. For direct tearing and zero setting, it has 3 digital 24 VDC inputs. We will show you how to connect an ACT350 transmitter to a Rockwell PLC using the Studio 5000 programming software. The installation for this presentation consists of a computer for programming, 2 ACT350, and an Allen Bradley PLC. Open your Rockwell Studio 5000 software. Open your Rockwell Studio 5000 project to integrate the ACT350 weight transmitter. Go online to locate ACT350 on the network. Check marks indicate online mode is on. Download the project to the PLC. Discover ACT350 weight transmitter in the network. Add the ACT350 weight transmitter to the project. We can see integration is successful and ready for use. We can see now the ACT350 tags in the PLC. Now you can see all status information, including heartbeat that shows connection data OK, bit and weight value. The alarm bit is on if any error such as underload is detected. The motion bit is on if weight is unstable. Let's have a quick look at the LEDs. They are all solid green and not flashing, indicating that everything is OK. The ACT350 weight transmitter is easy to connect to an Allen Bradley PLC system. The PLC files which we just used in this demonstration can be downloaded from the Mettler Toledo homepage at www.mt.com/ind-ACT350. Just click to the Documentation tab.